We all have a junk drawer. The question is, how well do you keep yours organized? Hi there, I'm Mackenzie Scott, a certified professional organizer, and today I want to talk to you about one space we all have in our homes that attracts clutter unlike anything else: junk drawers. Whether it's in your kitchen or office, junk drawers are where we keep small yet essential household items like scissors, tape, and batteries. But just because we call it a junk drawer doesn't necessarily mean it's junk. Though the name gets a bad rap, junk drawers are often home to useful things we need and use frequently. Today, I'm going to walk you through the quick but simple M2O process of organizing your junk drawer. First, empty all the contents from your current junk drawer. And yes, I do mean everything. Next, you'll want to sort all the contents from your drawer into categories, such as tools, office supplies, or batteries. This will allow you to see how much of each item you have and help you determine if you really need all of it. I've gotten mine down to some very manageable categories. Random things often get thrown into junk drawers over time, so it's a good idea to go through and declutter it occasionally. Remove any items that are clearly trash and relocate duplicates to another space in the house. A good rule of thumb for junk drawers is, if you don't need it in an emergency or once every 2 weeks, it shouldn't make the cut. A minimal amount of items should be kept inside of your junk drawer. For the most part, there's no need to keep duplicates. One tape measure, one pair of scissors, one lighter is sufficient. Batteries, stamps, and a few pens are a few exceptions. Consider keeping miniature versions like a small stapler or this multi-tool in your junk drawer. With your drawer completely empty, now is the perfect time to wipe down the inside of the drawer. Use a dustbuster, followed by a wet cloth for best results. This is also a great opportunity to add liner to the bottom of the drawer. Choose a colorful pattern or a gripping version based on your preferences. After you've cleaned out your drawer, you will want to consider adding as many drawer organizers as will fit into the drawer. Max it out, as this is the magic key to having an organized junk drawer. Choose the size of drawer organizers based on the size of the items and categories you chose to keep during the sorting step. For example, a long and narrow organizer will work best for pens, whereas a square organizer works best for bulky items like a tape measure or batteries. And just like that, you've got an organized junk drawer. While there may not be true junk in your drawer, whatever you do store in there should now be quickly and easily accessible. And isn't that what being organized is all about? Yes, yes it is. Now that you have a functional junk drawer, are you wondering what are the best items to keep in there? Hop on over to our blog where you can read 10 ideal supplies to keep in your junk drawer. We'll also link to it in the description. Not only do we have a blog, but our team at Mission to Organize has put together other powerful resources for you, including our monthly newsletter, M2O Buzz, a YouTube channel with hundreds of how-to videos, social media posts up the wazoo, and of course, our signature organizing services. We're assured to have something that speaks to you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye! Once every 2 weeks, I want to talk to you about one space we all have in our homes that attracts clutter. Ooh.
That's good, yeah.
This?
That's absurd. Okay. Oh, all right. control that.